Hi! Welcome to our channel, Team Celeron. Hindi kami artista.
Hindi rin kami influencer, pero gaya nyo, may kwento rin kami.
I'm Nick.
And I'm Grace. We are on our 50s.
Sa ngayon, temporarily, nandito kami sa Canada.
We started as an international student and open work permit holder. And now working. Deciding to study and work abroad at our age wasn't easy. Maraming takot, maraming tanong. Kaya pa ba namin?
Worth it ba? Pero pinili namin sumubok. Pinili namin lumaban.
We created this channel not to pretend we have it all figured out, but to share our journey, the real ones, the ups, the downs, the lessons we've learned. Bilang isang individual, magulang, estudyante, empleyado sa ibang bansa.
Alam namin marami sa inyo ang may kanya-kanyang laban. And sometimes, all we need is someone to remind us na hindi tayo nag-iisa. So if you're going to starting over and trying again, or simply holding on, maybe this space is for you too.
Welcome to Team Celeron, a space for real stories, reflections, and a bit of hope. If you feel like journeying with us, feel free to subscribe, leave a comment, or just say hi.
Ako si Nick.
At ako si Grace.
Tara, sama kayo. Ito ang aming kwento.